Hello all. Today we are going to see what are the investment opportunities in this pandemic crisis. As you are all aware about Mr. Google, we are using him in this day-to-day life, and everybody will know what has happened yesterday, an important day for us, and what are the apps which are being used, being there in the Google. So search engine which everybody knows. Everybody wants to search. Whatever we want, we can ask Mr. Google. Then Gmail, creating our own email. And YouTube, anybody can become a YouTuber. And Google Maps, where we can see the place and search about the place and know the traffic positions. Google Play Store, where we can download all the applications from in the Android mobile phones. And Google Contacts, where can store all our important contacts. Google Documents, sheets, Excel sheets and PPTs, where we can type and write. Google Forms, we can take survey. Google Drive, where we can store all our important information. Google Translate, where we can translate in our regional languages. Google Keyboard, an exclusive keyboard to our mobile phones. Google Earth, where we can see the satellite picture. Google Classrooms, where we can give the materials to our students. Google Photos, where we can store all our everlasting memories. Google Duo, where we can have contacts across the world. Google Meet, where we can have important meetings. Google Hangout, where we can chat and talk. And Google Scholar, where we can have the research scholars, research papers, search engine. And of course, lot of apps, enormous apps are available. Everything under the sun is available in this Google apps. And yesterday, an important day for our India, as there has been an important interaction between one among the CEOs of Google, Mr. Sundar Pichai, and our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, has had an important conversations which has led to an important decisions to be taken by the Google incorporations, as Google is announcing a very great news on the investment of $10 billion in India over the next 5 to 7 years, with the aim to enhance the digital ecosystem, to enhance the world's largest economy in the battlefield of the internet era. Alphabet, another company of Google, also going to has invested and will nearly double its investment of $5.7 billion investment already made by the Facebook with the collaboration of Reliance Industries, already being done in April, will be deployed through a mix of investments and various partnerships, which is being ensured by our CEO Sundar Pichai. Google India Digitalization Fund will be used for investment in Indian various innovations and development of the infrastructure. What are the key areas in which the Google is going to focus to our country? The first one is the affordable access of information for every Indian in regional languages. India is a diversified country and with various languages, and this will enhance the access of information in even in the rural remote areas. Second, building innovative products and services uniquely which is be designed for India, and empowering business for digital transformation, where we are seeing online businesses, e-commerce industry flourishing across India. And the fourth one, leveraging technologies through the use of artificial intelligence, which is the buzzword as of today, with the virtual reality and the augmented reality. And the important sectors which are going to be focused by the Google, first is the education, as this crisis has undergone a paradigm shift in the education sector, as everybody is learning in an online saga. This online saga is going to enhance the digital age of the forthcoming generations through the Google. Second is the agriculture, where we always state agriculture is the backbone of our country, and this will also be enhanced by the Google. And the third important, utmost important as of today in this pandemic scenario is also the healthcare, as that is also one of the important focus by the Google. The second important information and the news for our country is the Foxconn, which is the Apple's suppliers, has also had an investment in our country. The Foxconn companies is planning to invest about $1 billion to expand the factory across southern India, as there is a shift from the giant economy, the Chinese economy, and they are going to shift towards our own Indian economy. And this Foxconn is planned to their investment in the Sri Perumbudur plant located in Chennai. And in the next 3 years, the production of Apple iPhones are in vogue. And this is stating, able to say a clear evidence of the India's rapidly enhancing the COVID crisis as an opportunity, as we always for, have always seen about the positive side of the Indian economy flourishing itself, especially in the COVID crisis, as all the crisis has enhanced our transformation towards the economy. And we have to be proud that Google Incorporation, and as our own Indian CEO, one amongst the CEO, has envisaged stating about the investment in India. And this will have to say that every Indian who are all across the globe has to give a hats off recognition to the CEO Sundar Pichai, as we shall always not forget our motherland wherever we go, wherever we are. This is the way we have to move forward to bring our country, as Sundar Pichai studied in Chennai, where in the age where there were no computers, and this has envisioned him to become the CEO as well as bringing the investment opportunity in India. And the other giant, Apple Incorporations, always as a dream we all see as citizens, whether the Apple will start the manufacturing in India. We all have seen the Apple phones, but it's a dream going to come true in the forthcoming days, years, as both the giants of the US has started its way to India. Thank you.